Welcome back, viewers and the subscribers. Today we are going to talk about what the description of the video says. So this is a small intro. So subscribe in and like it for your first time.
Duwayne Griffiths, you know I'm dead because you killed me today. Duwayne Griffiths, you know I'm dead because you killed me today. When you make me have to go identify my granddaughter and my daughter in the morgue. Duwayne Griffiths, you know. Duwayne Griffiths, you come from Jamaica and you don't have nowhere to stay. And my daughter and his boyfriend take you in their house. Then Carla come to my yard in Miami and me take up my $100 gift to you. Because guess what? You didn't have nothing. And they brought you to their home. And you did this to them, Duwayne. Duwayne, anybody can say anything on social media and this and that and reality. Be my guest. I am dead already. You know I'm dead. Because you killed me today, Duwayne. Duwayne, you come to my yard. You killed me today. When you kill me Pitney and me grand Pitney, me I tell you the honest truth. You kill me today. When you kill Carla and Carly. You kill me today when you did this to them. You're in their house, you have Carly on your hip every day. They play with Carly. They play with Carly. Bring Carly to a store. Me send the money, say, buy Carly ice cream. And you shoot them up like this. Just for them things. And you thought everybody was dead. But you got it wrong. Duwayne Griffiths, no say me dead. So anything will happen. I don't care anymore. I just don't care. I am dead right now. Duwayne Griffiths from Gulf. Duwayne Griffiths, I'm the type of mother that don't play. I don't care. I'm dead already. So you can be my next guest.
And you know, as tragic as it is already, guys, Carla and Carly, you don't know the passing away of the family and the whole three of them plus the nigga too. You get me? It's like the whole them come from Montego Bay, guys. Them passed out in Miami. Them died. You see me? Look like other brother here. Them must say. You see me? Allegedly, me no want to call no name, but look upon him face good. Them must say. Now him are the murderer of the family. And if you hear now the first video where the grandmother I said them gone with her, them kill her from them race said we see me. So for me it just a tough vlog for vlog, but what's when you don't know what really are going, but you see it and you say to yourself, say this rough like you know. So condolence goes out to the family, said we and thing. More of them catch the culprit, talking like how the moms talk. Look like them know, oh you get me, like a somebody close to them, guys, close. Them catch the culprit, guys. Otherwise from that, after Spice exposed the punny, you don't know, she says skin out my good, you know. Yes, so she forward out to the public and make fair response, said we.
And them when me take, the fuel come and them will go there, the fuel come and them will know how under they look, can talk out of them own mouth. So me not have nothing to kill up myself. I told them I post and say, look here, you look like me if I go take a picture and post the picture and make a video and post it just for shame me haters them. Just to make them shame. But me's a lady with class, so me just love it. And me have my kids them and me have my man who I love, so me just love it. And me now make nobody make me lose my pride and my dignity. So me I go stand up firm on my foot because of that them want me to fall on my face. Them want to see me fall on my face, so me just love it. Yeah, because only thing left for me do after video it and say, see it ya. Cause see like wanna feel like so to see it better me just show no the proper, the real one then. And done. But sometimes them say bad things that happen to you if you can't see the real people them around you, because remember me tell you say all my one friend them me see I put up picture and I laugh and I say whoa. Sometimes bad things that happen to you if you see the real people them where they're around you. So remember me telling you say, remember me get the bad things them in a very bad way, you know. But it is very good. Let me say it again. Me say remember me get the bad things them in a very bad way. But it is very good. Because it show you the people them. It reveal them. The amount of people will call me and say, I can't believe that this a person do this or this a person. Yes. And the more you pray sometime, you know, and one day you may talk to God and I say, God, boy, me I tell him I don't want nothing more revealed to me. Sometimes I'm afraid for pray. The more you pray, and the more things revealed to you. But one thing me I go say, because me tell myself say me now come out come talk about that video, yeah. Because I'm a confident girl. Me sure about under me. Me sure about under me stay, me sure about me clean, me sure about myself, me 100%, me very confident. One thing for sure and two things for certain. I am a very confident woman, and that show throughout the years. And that will not try to bring me down, and that will not try to me stand up firm on my foot. Me not ask you. No weapon that farm up against me can prosper. But one thing me I go say, me no come on the life to talk about that deliberately. Me just a rap with my fans them because of that me know for do. But one thing me I go say, when you do me bad when me alive. And me I say this to me haters them. When you do me very bad when me alive. When you give me basket and tell me if you bring water in night. When you chop me, when you stab me, when you spit pan me, when you vomit pan me, when you shot me. When you do everything to me when me alive. But one thing me I beg you, when time me dead, anytime God ready for me. I'm dead. Me I beg you, please. Find the good for talk about. If I even one good. That's all me I beg you. Because the way how you live for me, the way how you want to see me fall, the way how you want to see me flap, the way how you drag my name, the way how you rejoice when you see nothing, the way how you live for my name to try to bring me to the dirt. The way how you do me when me alive. All me say, anytime you see Father God ready for me, because I make a sit down up. Anytime you see Father God ready for me and say, come grace at your time. All me beg you know. Speak of at least one good. That's all me say. Just one. Not even enough. You're not to do no whole heap of nothing. Just one. Find at least one good. Because it's not until me dead when I go have one proper work. I don't like that filter sitting here, you know. I don't like that filter. I want to take it off. I don't like that filter, you know, not all. Okay? You know, I can't bother with that blue eye something here. It's not until me dead when I go have a real way for rejoice. Because only then, in time you see me left land and gone, at that time alone, you finally would have get rid of me. No care what you come with, no care what you say, you know so much years, how much things you want to try. You don't realize you want to try this, that, ass, dead, and comfort. You don't realize you want to try. Hey, I don't know what else left you to come with. But until I left this land, that alone can make me rejoice. Because as long as breath in my body, as long as me alive, as long as God say me to stand up same way and walk and breathe, you will never get me down. You will never break me. Me not ask you. You could have come with lion and tiger. I will still be right here. So until me dead, that is the only time you can rejoice, because of that alone you can do. If you overpower this queen, remember me telling you that. Right the side there. But alright, the set there, no big up on yourself. I don't come to stay long. I just want to big up my fans them and say, right, the set there, love. I go bed right now. I lie down in a nice bed. I eat a nice big fish today. I'm a belly full. I'm a feel good. I'm a live good. I go check for my pin them a while ago in them room and them asleep and them comfortable and them do hungry. I'm me no hungry. I'm is a happy lady. I'm a very confident. So God go with you know. And everybody just have a good night and big up on yourself. Right this side there. No kill up on yourself. Don't kill up on yourself, my love. Grace is a very confident girl. I'm gonna lie down in my nice bed. Grace, I'm gonna go in our nice bed.